guys, so we are going to Ohana's tonight.
Not so scary Halloween party. Guess what? Guess what party date I bought for Mickey's Not So Scary? Yup, $140. They refunded us, and I was like, we still want to go to the party though. Like we literally took days off. Like we still want to go to the party, and then Sunny at Guest Relations went womp womp.
Hey guys, so today was supposed to be a Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween vlog. However, a lot of inconveniences happened. We did book the one party that did happen to get canceled because of Hurricane Helene. And it's okay. Today was a rough day, but hey, it's alright. We're making the most. We're trying to stay positive. Guest relations said that we can try to get it the day of another day, but right now the season is sold out. So me and the group that was supposed to go is going to Ohana's tonight. So that's fun, at least. A nice dinner to make up for everything that happened.
Exactly. Word is right. Word is correct. So getting ready for that. What's Kira complaining about?
To the Polly.
At least we got something.
Yeah.
Put me on, hire me. I'm gonna get
It definitely has its own scent. Alright, so we're supposed to meet my friends Katie and Jill, who just said, go explore. So that's what we're doing, because I've only been here once and Amory's never been here. So, it's true. Let's go in this merch store, because why not? Boutique. I'm really thinking about this. I mean, as you can see, I'm a big fan of it's the one. I'm a big fan of shirts like this, so that's very up my alley. Yeah, I have a problem because they're so expensive. So we'll see. We will see. I really like this. This design. You don't see a lot of Moana merch, at least shirt-wise, in my opinion. But I do and love that.
Don't even talk to me.
See, guys, I'm just obsessed with these button-downs. Because they look good on me. Me too. They have ties in here? I'm like,
You don't need a tie.
well, I don't, but like, oh, they're little whales. Oh, it's vineyard vines? I think so. Wow, these are bougie. $95. There's a shirt I really like in Riviera, but it's $195, and I'm not gonna do that. You didn't even take a picture yet.
Yeah, but I was getting ready. I don't want to start that.
Alright, so I think Amory and I are gonna get pins. ones. Amory's getting 2, I think. I think she's gonna get the Candy Crush one and a Powerline one. I'm still thinking about which one I want to get. So I will sit on it and think about it. But this little whole section, yes, it's adorable.
Even though we didn't get to see
Power
Group and Powerline along Main Street, I guess it's fine.
But yeah, I'm still thinking. I don't know. The day is looking up. We got Lay's. We are waiting on Katie and Jill. So, extra cutesy. Fit check. Where did you get each of your items?
H&M, American Eagle, the Crocs website, Kristen Elise Garger, my mommy.
Yes! Sing it!
Come along with me. Let's go out to see what this world got for you and for me now. We're gonna make things happen. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, it's hard rocking. Oh, never stop us tonight.
And now explain your rule about time.
Don't waste my time. My time is so precious. There's so many things I could be doing with my time when you're not wasting it.
And guess who's wasting our time?
Katie and Jillian. Catherine and Jillian.
Where are they? Nowhere to be seen.
No.
You know what we could be doing?
Anything else.
Sleeping. It's for the vlog.
You can't record it, I'm talking about it.
Oh no,
I get
you
it?
have to be quiet about. I was supposed to vlog the party tonight, but now I'm vlogging Ohana's.
Ohana.
Guys, Anastasia's back on the vlog.
Back on the vlog.
It's
been too long. I miss you guys.
I know. Do you have any updates?
Any updates? I cleaned my room today.
Okay. Yep. Yes. Yep,
I did the sheets,
Okay.
cleaned the bed. I also did some laundry. So yeah, those are about as far as my updates go.
ODB. I heard you guys just had off today. All of ODB.
Oh, I don't think so.
Really?
Not for Animal Kingdom.
ODB and Magic. None of them are there. Really? None of them are there.
Yeah.
Compensating for today, the vlog is gonna be Ohana's. So,
Oh my god! Wait, I forgot you had a whole vlog.
yeah, so I was gonna vlog because it's not so scary. So
Not so scary.
Katie and Jill had a nice, good old drink at Trader Sam's.
Did you see the size of the straws, Matthew, on our story?
They were this big.
No.
Oh, here.
I'm in a dilemma. I
Is
don't
she on
know
the
if I
bus on
should
the
get
way
one
here?
or both.
Just this one.
The Toy Story one.
I say the Toy Story.
I say none. I'm a saving money girl.
Well, no, how much is it? Okay, this
Depends on
one.
how about I
It's a
spend what I'm
silver
going to
one.
tonight and then it's 13.
13, and then this is what?
I spend what I'm going to tonight. And then
Get in this, though.
2.
So get 2. You get more with this one.
Well, what if
But do you have any incredible pins?
no.
You don't have any Toy Story. This is a tough
Bro,
dilemma.
your
then.
conscience is literally speaking to you, Matt.
Let me think about
My conscience is
how
not
much
in
I
Polynesian
spend
right
tonight
now.
and
I
then
don't
I'll
know where
base
she
it off
went.
of that. Put the pins back. Yeah. Okay, I'm currently looking for another lay for Anastasia, who I didn't know was right behind me. So, yeah, we're gonna
Oh, we twin! Look at this. Me and Anastasia.
Yes.
I love it. Thank you guys so much. Skip.
At one point,
Caroline has joined the group. So happy because she didn't think she was gonna make it, but she did. Yeah. So the gang's all together. It's my first time in Ohana's. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Guys, this place is supposed to be bougie. The bougie of bougies. It smells so good.
What was that?
That was a 9.
Excuse me. Aloha, bitches. Welcome to Ohana.
What are you most excited to eat?
My souvenir cup. Noodles. Oh, the dumplings. The dumplings sound good too.
I know. In the midst of a hurricane. Thank you. Katie's happy that her name is on the receipt.
Oh, that's so disgusting, guys. Why did I drink both? Katie don't like you. Katie don't like you. Okay, Sunny. But yes.
I don't feel chill.
There's more dumplings in the other pans, guys. I promise. Compliments to the chef. Compliments to the chef, let me tell you, right here.
Dude, why is my shit I ignore her? Straight up ignore her. Like, talk to me nice, you don't talk to me twice. You were talking and I'm waiting for you to get hurt.
Katie.
Are you gonna give me a piece of chocolate? Ew, no, Joe.
Amory, try it. I think you'll like it.
Good. Just sweet.
Thank you.
It's cotton candy lemonade. Yeah,
Put a
right?
little alcohol in it.
Oh.
Dessert.
What is on my
The dessert fiends are ready. Thank you so much. All right, Avery's about to pay this lovely
Sage and Pete's.
rating of Ohana's.
I want to come here for breakfast,
Yeah.
but for dinner I give it like a solid 8.5 out of 10. Like
Yeah.
it was really good.
It was so good.
I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. I really enjoyed it.
I'm like, so excited for my little cup.
You thought you were getting what?
I thought I was getting like a nice like Polynesian, like even like a Stitch cup,
Right.
so they like that, but I wasn't. I got a Toy Story cup, which I'm not mad about. Like it's cute or whatever, but it's also like this isn't. It wasn't the vibe that I thought I was getting. You know what I mean?
Yeah, right. Rating of Ohana out of 10.
13.
Yeah!
Bro, I love that place. Those
This is
burgers, I love the
great.
burgers. I love the food. I love that brisket.
Yeah, we just gotta wait for Anastasia and Katie to come out of the women's room.
The women's room.
Rating of Ohana's out of 10.
Some of them were like very iffy.
Out of 10, 24.
Out of 10.
8.4.
Okay. Good. I gave it a 9.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Rate it.
Guys, we're surviving hurricane.
7.
What? That was like a 9.
Yeah, but
We're surviving Hurricane
Jill
Helene, guys.
versus Hurricane Helene.
I've survived some hurricanes before, guys. It's so bad. It's the drips. I'm gonna kill someone. I swear to God.
I know it's wet. Please make sure your umbrellas are closed.
It's better than that dirt that was hitting us
love and truth and glory shall be the down the road, down the witch's road. Chains and whips, excitement. I'll make love to you like you want.
Yeah, that sounds right. Okay. Yeah, see, I feel